unboxing some TYPO creative dual end markers. So many of you will not be familiar with TYPO because this is an Australian brand and you can only find TYPO stores in, well, this is what I think, in Australia and New Zealand. So there probably not going to be any of TYPO stores in the Northern Hemisphere. So enough with the chatting and more with the unboxing. Let's go. So I just turned this box over and it has some sticker on it. And then you just, oh, that came off really easily. And the tab pops out, so then you can open it, and inside you have your beautiful markers. Wait a second. So these are the 40 markers. You can see now that they have dual ends, and all of them are vibrant colored, and yeah, these ends include a brush and a fine liner. So I'm gonna show you with one color how it looks and how well it colors in. So I'm just gonna grab a notepad in a second. So guys, I just took out the first marker from the set, and it has, as you can see, dual end marker, fine liner, and brush. And let's test it out on some paper. Here we go. I'm going to do a little squiggle from the brush and from the fine liner. Okay, let's see. So the fine liner is so thin that you almost can't see it. Well, actually you can. So with the brush, marker brush, you have a brush-like end, and the fine liner is just really thin, like a pen. So brush for coloring in, and fine liner for writing or maybe detailed coloring in. So I'm gonna take a picture and I'm gonna color that in to show you how that looks on a coloring sheet, no, drawing. So guys, in my drawing pad I have a dolphin that I've drawn, and I'm just gonna show you how it looks when fully colored in. Okay, yeah, let's get to it. So for my dolphin, I'm just using some blue, grays, and greens, and I'm gonna just start coloring. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the time lapse, and this is the final result of my dolphin. It's a bit messy since I kind of rushed and I got, well, marker on my hands. But this is really good if you're a person who just has way too much free time and is just like really bored, like me. So yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of unboxing 40 new dual-ended TYPO markers. And remember to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos every day. Well, hopefully. Bye!